What's up guys? I'll tell you what is going on with me. Well, ever since I have got the POCO F3 GT, a lot of you have been asking me about its performance. In fact, some of you also wanted me to play Battlegrounds Mobile India on this smartphone. So what I'm gonna do is, while we are still in the process of reviewing this phone, I thought it would be fun to do a gaming test. So what we're gonna do today is play both Battlegrounds Mobile India as well as Call of Duty Mobile on this phone today and see if it qualifies to be the new gaming beast or not. You're watching India Today Tech. I am Manas Tiwari. Alright then, this is the POCO F3 GT. I have two games installed here, Battlegrounds Mobile India and Call of Duty Mobile. And we're going to play both of them one by one. I also have another phone here which we're going to use as a stopwatch while we play the games. But let me first show you some of the settings on the phone right now. So you can clearly see here that the phone is currently 100% charged. So we'll see how much battery is drained during this entire gaming session. In the background, I'll show you that I am currently running the phone at 120 Hz refresh rate. But what I'll do is I'll also close the settings app so we don't have any of the apps running in the background. And that's important because that means that none of the apps are going to drain the battery of the phone. Also, if I will just quickly drop down from here, you can see all the other options are also off. So we only have the phone connected to the Wi-Fi. Apart from that, Bluetooth, GPS, all the other options are also off. तो पहले आपके जो फेवरेट गेम है Battlegrounds Mobile India उससे शुरू कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद Call of Duty Mobile यहाँ खेलेंगे. And what I'm gonna do meanwhile is I will just quickly start the stopwatch so that we know how much time we have spent on gaming. Also, we'll just put the game on mute. So we'll know how much time we have spent while gaming and how much battery is consumed in that duration. Okay, so we are here at the lobby at Battlegrounds Mobile India. What I'll quickly do is I'll also go through the settings and check the graphics settings that we have here. So currently the game is running on HD at high frame rate. So HDR option is also there. Now you are not getting Ultra HD option on POCO F3 GT, so that's something that you guys have to keep in mind, that even though the phone runs 120 Hz refresh rate, you're not getting an Ultra HD option here. So HDR, and you are actually getting Ultra frame rate option on HDR setting. So that's what I'm gonna use here. I'm not changing any of the other settings that are there. We'll just keep them as default. And fine then, let's start playing. So we are in the game now, and meanwhile I land, let me just tell you about some of the specifications of the phone as well. So this one runs on MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor. There are two variants, 6GB RAM and 8GB RAM variants, and the one which I am using here is the 8GB RAM variant, and I would recommend you the same if gaming is something you are into. Also, don't judge me on my gaming skills because I'm not a Battlegrounds Mobile India regular player, so so guys, you can see that, I mean, graphic wise this looks pretty solid. Not bad guys. Did you just see that? I killed a player using the regular pistol. What somebody is. How about that? Another one down. तो अभी एक सेकेंड के लिए we'll just pause here and I'll just show you around. If you want to look at the dynamic range of the game, you can see that the trees at the background and the buildings and all look pretty decent. But honestly, I don't like the graphics of Battlegrounds Mobile India as much as I prefer Call of Duty. What do you guys think? What is your go-to game these days? Is it Battlegrounds Mobile India, or do you prefer Call of Duty? Because I find that graphics on Call of Duty are definitely better than Battlegrounds Mobile India. So on this phone you're also getting a 5000 mAh battery guys, so I'm assuming that the battery performance should be pretty decent. But let me tell you one thing, that it's only been 10 minutes as you can see here, and I can already feel that the phone is getting slightly warm. It's not hot yet, but while I'm holding the phone on this surface, I can feel that it's slightly getting warm from the upper side. So that's something interesting. It will be good to see if we game for about half an hour or 40 minutes, if the phone actually heats up or not. Guys, देख रहे हो performance, देख रहे हो? I've killed 4 people. I've finished 4 people. I've not killed anyone. Okay, just to be clear. एक और दुश्मन down इसी के साथ. It's almost been 24 minutes since 23-24 minutes since we started playing. We are very close to the win, surprisingly. And I must say that I am not feeling any sort of major heating issues. हल्का हल्का सा थोड़ा सा फ़ोन warm ज़रूर हुआ है पीछे से. But that can be, you know, आप ये मान लो कि even if you keep it in डायरेक्ट सनलाइट फॉर लेट्स से 4-5 मिनट्स, तब भी इतनी हीटिंग जो है वो हो जाती है कई बार. सो इट्स नॉट अ मेजर कंसर्न एटलीस्ट एज ऑफ नाउ. विल सी हाउ द फोन परफॉर्म्स एज वी कंटिन्यू टू प्ले. ओहो हो, लुक एट दिस स्वीट डील गाइस. वी हैव वन द गेम. आई डिड नॉट सी दिस कमिंग एट ऑल, बट वी हैव वन द गेम. सो या. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly turn off the game and go back to the home screen. And as you can see here, we played Battlegrounds Mobile India for almost 28 minutes and the battery was at 100% at the beginning and it's still at 95%. So we have only lost about 5% of battery life after almost half an hour of gaming. And that is quite impressive. Now what we'll do is we'll go to Call of Duty Mobile, and in this one we're gonna play the multiplayer mode. Okay, so I've started Call of Duty Mobile now, and it's been almost half an hour since we started this test. And in this one we're gonna play the multiplayer mode. But again, let me just quickly go to the graphics settings. So here actually, okay, so again, now you're getting the option of the highest graphic quality, but on that you cannot run the game with maximum refresh rate. As soon as you go to maximum, the graphics setting goes to high. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the graphics at the highest possible thing and frame rate at very high, and just the features again are the same. I'm not gonna change that. I'm gonna keep the controls to the advanced mode because in this one we're gonna make use of the air triggers. So let me just quickly take them out as well. To map these air triggers, what you need to do is you just need to swipe and the game control will open. So from here you can actually map the buttons. So I've already mapped one of them to shooting and the other one to reload. So now I'm going to use the air triggers only to play this one. 50 kills is what we need, guys. So this one is turning out to be a very close match. We have 25 kills, they have 23. And definitely there's an advantage if you're playing with the maglev triggers because they're quite responsive. So another win, guys. We've played 2 games today. We have won both of them. And now let me just go back to the home screen again and check the battery. So the battery is at 92%, which is quite impressive, even though we have done gaming for about 39 minutes. Let's say 37, 38 minutes because there was some time switching between the apps and loading them as well. So the battery is at 92%. We have done gaming for about 37 to 38 minutes on Poco F3 GT. We have played both Battlegrounds Mobile India and Call of Duty Mobile, and I'm going to talk about it more now. So we played both Battlegrounds Mobile India and Call of Duty Mobile on this phone for almost 40 minutes. Yes, there are some restrictions in terms of graphics and all, but the performance was pretty smooth. You saw it yourself. What did you think about Poco F3 GT's gaming performance? You let me know in the comments section. Also, I was pretty impressed by the battery drainage or the battery optimization on this phone because as you could clearly see, Despite playing two very heavy gaming titles for almost 40 minutes, the battery did not drain as fast as it would do on some of the other smartphones. What I'll do now is I'll also test the camera of this phone and few other things, and then we'll bring you a detailed review very soon, hopefully this week itself. Meanwhile, what you need to do is subscribe to India Today Tech YouTube channel. Also tap on the bell icon so that whenever we upload the review, you do not miss out on that. Thank you for watching.